Hey everyone, I've been getting questions about my lavalier mic. I'm Jennifer Tarl with Tarl Speech, and as you know, I make a lot of videos and I use my phone to make my videos for YouTube. So I bought this mic. I love it. It connects right into my iPhone and it clips onto my shirt. I get compliments all the time on the sound quality on my YouTube videos, my newer ones, not my older ones. My older ones are what drove me to get a better microphone. And that's all you do is just plug this in. And it has great sound quality. I love that it has the cover so you don't hear all of the air coming out of your mouth. Um, Super easy to use. I just keep it in the little case and I can take it with me if I'm out on the road or if I'm just in the house recording videos. So it's great. I highly recommend it. Go ahead and get yourself one.